What's up, YouTube? All right, it is another day of getting the engine ready to go in. Today we're going to be working on the power steering, getting the power steering lines routed along the frame rail. All right, so the return line uses a 17 millimeter and the feed line, the front feed line, uses a 16 millimeter with the Sikky. I went ahead and got the Sikky supplied power steering lines because, well, I'm using LS, it was easy. So let's get those on. All right, I went ahead and put a towel underneath just in case there's any leftover fluid. I mean, it's fairly clear in there, but with the 17. We'll get this out. Alright, going to get this hose off and then get the return line, the Sikky return line, put on. Alright, we have the fitting and we have our return line. Of course, we have our bracket, and the feed line is the one with the hard bends in it. So with the return line, don't lose the O-ring on the tip that goes into the power steering pump. This helps seal it. So be careful not to lose that. And then just work it on. There we go. And you can see where it's barbed. Once you do that, make sure you get it tightened up. Alright, get it pretty tight, but be careful not to over tighten it. You could end up ripping the hose. Get it tight in there, and now it's ready to go in. Alright, now we are ready to put the lines together. The feed has this bend on it, and this is going to go around the subframe. And go in. That's going to allow us to keep it as close to the frame rail as possible. Let me drop this down. And this is going to use a 16. And if you don't have a 16, a 5/8 will do well enough. You want to get this tight, but not over tight, obviously. You want to keep a hold or keep an eye that this is staying on the frame rail so it doesn't just twist up as you're tightening it. Like I said, just get it reasonably tight because there is that O-ring on the inside just to help keep it sealed. Alright, now that you got the feed line in, the return line can slide in, and this is a 17. Let me use two hands. Alright, also get the return line nice and snug, and remember it has an O-ring in there as well. You can put a couple zip ties up here, to kind of hold it over, but I think what I'll do think what I'll do is I'll just get these lines and I'll just kind of snake them down here. That way they're still stuck up against the frame rail. And I don't know. We'll see. We'll just leave them here for now. Alright, well that's the power steering lines in. Alright, that is the power steering pump lines. Just remember where it connects to the steering rack, the line in the middle. Make sure all those connections are tight. They don't come tight. So make sure those are tight, otherwise you'll have a leak. And yeah, this is a quick video. I think I'll be showing the clutch master cylinder next. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please help me out. Peace.